Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the Market Beast edition. Fellow composite speaking, Mvis needs a revisit. It appears that the market has exploded beyond a pattern that we found, and I'm going to do some modifications. Thank you for all the commenters and our family who told us that, dude, you have your pattern wrong. You might want to check that. I'm going to check that right now. So let's go ahead and dive right into what we have and into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 24th, 2021, and the previous close of Microvision stock is going to be $17.97. It closed positive approximately 36.7% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So here's the pattern where, okay, I'm going to justify both patterns, so let's just be clear about that. Okay, here's a pattern, the original pattern that I had. Okay, super simple. Ladies and gentlemen, this is simply called a descending triangle. It is a bearish pattern. This ascending line that you see here, the market has finding support on that line. It found itself within this pattern, broke down below the lower line of the illusionary pattern. Let's call it the illusionary pattern, and it closed below the ascending line of financial support. But please let me know in the comment section with the prayer hand or something what we go over. When you break down below a financial support line, let's just get rid of this, the pattern for now. Just get rid of it. Put it over there. Set it aside. When you break down below a financial support line, okay, what typically happens is this area right here. Like if you're new and you're kind of like, what are you talking about, dude? These two candles right here, these are weekly candles. If you find a financial support line, right, it's pretty clear. It's find support, bounce off it, up, down, broke down, fake out. That's what it's considered. It's considered a fake out. When you break below a financial support, it doesn't matter if it's an ascending line, a horizontal line, a horizontal line. It doesn't matter. It has the opportunity to take place on the very next developing candle, whether it's a daily candle, 3-day candle. This is why I only look at the higher time frames, because you can only see this in the higher time frames. You'll never be able to see this on a 1-hour candle. This is, ladies and gentlemen, appears to be so far a fake out, because this is a successful weekly candle to close back above the financial support line. So this simply means that as long as it can stay above the previous level of, well, let's see, it was, it's break down, it was support, break up. So the previous level would be right here, okay? As long as it stays above 1404, then it will be just fine to continue the momentum to the upside. Just in case some of you thought I was bearish on the last video, guys, we own stock. I'm going to leave it. Hopefully, I'll leave a link in the video right now, so you know that we've been owners of the stock. We bought options. We exercised it in the money, and we've owned stock. Well, we've been participating since December, basically. So you do the numbers as far as what the price was at that time. All right, so we're looking for, we do have a $38 target. How long would that take? Well, the financial support line appears to have had a reaction. An explosive reaction, I must also say. So what we're going to do is wait towards the end of this month, and let me see if I can find a line, something like that. So let's just put a line right there, $15.39. I know it feels like I have like millions of lines and numbers, right? It's all arbitrary. But I'm going to leave you out with that level as a potential level of support. If you see Microvision below 1566, then of course we'll give you guys a revisit to see what's going on. But I think there should be more momentum in this play. I think it may take a day or two or up to a week to cool off. And the reason that I'm giving you those dates are because we're getting close towards the end of the month. It's the 24th today. I think we have like 5 more market days to close out. And let's also entertain again, thank you all for leaving kind, constructive messages in our previous video. Thank you. Saying that, dude, no, it's a falling wedge. So let me just see if I can entertain or modify this to be a falling wedge, something like that. Okay, yeah, so I guess, yeah, something like that. So, yeah, thanks again. We'll change that to like something green. All right, so perfect. So it was definitely not definitely. It was speculatively a falling wedge pattern. Okay, I mean, it looks pretty clean to me now. It definitely looks like a really nice setup. So that's it, guys. Whatever number I just said, $15 or something. Stays above that level, then it's likely it will continue higher. It needs to get above that line right there, $24.09. Let's let this play out, and yeah, it's crunch time. Towards the end of the month, it appears the last month it got really volatile. So that's the only level, guys. 1566. If it's below there, yeah, we just have to get back in here and see what's going on. My bias is going to remain to the upside now that the financial support line has had an explosive move to the upside. Again, as long as it's above this line, guys, everything should be just fine, okay? So that looks really good. And this isn't a video suggesting it's time to buy Microvision. So if you're not already in the market, I'm not really sure like what to tell you. Like, is it too late to buy? Because I know we get this question sometimes. Guys, I'm sorry, I can't tell you that. Should you sell? Should you buy? My target is $38. Is it guaranteed to get there? I mean, we made that call when the price was like $6. So I don't know. It looks ready to go. So that's it. 1566 is the only level. Needs to stay above. And we're looking for at least another move up through $20 at least minimum towards the end of this month. So hopefully that was useful, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there, you know, if you found any value in the content there. And also, if you're new, before you go, we'd like to send you more information on the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that when it is available. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well out there, and I'd like to thank you once again for your time. We'll be talking very soon. Please execute your strategies out there in these markets, and bye for now.